Good evening, sir. I am Kenneth A. Altida, third year BSMT. Section is 3O. What is the importance of PMIRS 5 resilience in your program BSMT? PMIRS 5 resilience is very important in BSMT because it helps the students to build mental, physical, and emotional toughness, because being a maritime student is not easy. Through this subject, it it helps us to learn how to adapt the difficulties, handle stress effectively, and recover quickly from setbacks. These skills are essential in preparing future seafarers to face the unpredictable and demanding environment at sea. How will this course subject help you fulfill your dream of becoming a successful seafarer? This course will help me become a successful seafarer by teaching me how to stay strong in tough situations. Life at sea is full of challenges, such as long voyage, isolation from family, hard weathers, and heavy responsibilities. By developing resilience, I will be to I will able to manage stress, maintain discipline during emergencies. These qualities will not only improve my performance but also ensure the safety of ship's crew and cargo.